Hi, my name is Jeff, and I hope you enjoyed the martial arts video. That's a kata that I created of the moves that I know about, just something that I was having fun with. I have formerly studied for many years in martial arts, especially the South Korean martial art of Subakdo Mudokwan, and katas are the kind of movements. There are different forms that that I practiced for many years, and it has to do with different forms for each belt level. Uh, in this particular clip is something I always wanted to do, and it definitely needs to be sharpened up and tightened up. So I hope to release another attempt at that at some point in the near future. It is fun for me, but I am trying to at least mention something about the importance of martial arts training, which I've studied for many years, and very important in the type of teaching that I do, going deeper into awareness and be able to stabilize ourselves and consolidate the energies and knowledge that we gain when we go into higher awareness and into the higher dimensions, which is very possible. I've studied with an amazing teacher for many years. He's no longer here in the physical. His name is Dr. Frederick Lenz. We also call him Rama. And can't really say enough about him. He's really was beyond pivotal in me being able to gain deep experience with deeper reality. So I wrote a book called Folding the Mind. And let's see if you can see the entire title. And it's just been released, and I worked pretty hard on it, and I'm hoping you'll enjoy it if you decide to buy the ebook version or buy the printed or hardback version. I talk about power spots and especially the importance of meditation practice and mindfulness practice, and other things like Tantra and the old Zen and the Dawan knowledge. So Carlos Castaneda wrote some key books that I mentioned in this book that I found to be quite powerful and balanced, and that my own teacher highly recommended. And just another approach to self-discovery. So there's many, many different approaches to self-discovery. Before I forget, I wanted to mention this tanka. Let me get out of the way a little bit so you can see that fully. So that I found and purchased in Bhutan. I was there a bunch of years ago, and it's just an amazing country. So I can't say enough about going to Bhutan if you ever get the chance. The beautiful monasteries there, being up in the Himalayas. It's just a fantastic country, and the people. There's just so much going on there. Padma Sambhava, who's also known as Guru Rinpoche, spent some time there, and I spent some time meditating at the Eagle's Nest Monastery. So it's just a very powerful and quite an adventure if you get a chance to get there. So thank you for paying attention to this video, and hope to have some sort of interaction with you at some point in the future. If you go to my website, you can leave comments there about anything and about the books. I also mention on the website different self-discovery type topics, and we'll be going over more and more into different topics, especially meditation and mindfulness practice, among many other things. I will have the video up. I have the link to my website under the video, and also the link to the Amazon site for to purchase the book. If you if you want to look at the book, that would be the place to go. So thank you again, and have a great day.